There's the entrance. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another boat adventure, and as you can see, today we are at the boat show. Window shopping, as they say. Let's see if we can find something that will replace Seize the Day. So we sneaked onto an Azimuth 65, is it, or 68? It's probably out of our price range. It's not really an upgrade for me just yet. But when you're in Rome, this one's got four bedrooms. I'm not going to do a full tour because everybody does full tours. So
you feel like they could have put the bed somewhere here and there, but I don't know if maybe it would have worked.
Owner's bedroom. Yeah, bit big for us. Let's move on. Nice saloon. As I say, bit of a jump for us at the moment. Let's find something smaller. Although I really like that seating area on the front there. There's Galleon. What we got? All the usuals. We're up on the Flybridge, which is very nice. So we jumped next door onto a 44-foot Azimuth. Getting nearer the size we might be looking at one day. It's got like triple beds in there. Let's see. There's people. Little kitchen down here. Table there. Front berth there. Downstairs. Right, we're getting somewhere here. This is a 320 Sundancer by Sea Ray. It might be more my sort of size. Yeah. So downstairs on this 320 Sea Ray, obviously we convert this to a double bed, but the cabin at the back is just underneath there. Whereas our boat has a separate door, if you remember, which we go into. So really, this might be a bigger boat, but we're not really gaining much. And it's 300,000. So we jumped on this 34-foot Gadaza, I think they call it. So it's a bit bigger than mine, but it has the same idea. Front cabin here, probably bathroom there, and then the separate under the floor bedroom, which is really what we've got with the door. So we like a door, but it is bigger, 34 foot. So our Jeanneau gets quite a lot for his money. Yeah, well,
It makes a big difference.
It's crazy,
it's upstairs, nice. Right, this might be the one that could be an option. This is a Parker Sorrento. We're going to have a look on board in a minute, but it's got the seat at the front, which I like. It's not too long, which I like. We'll just wait for some people to come off. So yeah, I like the seat at the front. This Parker Sorrento, we're going to just have a little mooch around. Everyone's here, it's alright. Help myself. Let's have a look downstairs. This could be a potential. So here's the front bedroom. Just set up as a bed, nothing else happens. And then in here is the bathroom. Oh, it's got a separate shower.
Separate shower.
It's got a massive screen.
Yeah. As I said, it's fully integrated.
Integrated, does everything.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
And the second cabin is down here, look. Which I like. It's quite big. And they've got a window looking out the back. This is instead of having it down at the front and underneath the floor. Different idea. It's quite spacious.
Big deal.
Okay, we jumped on a Sea Line S33, I think. So we've got the separate cabin, which we like, with the door. Much the same as ours, look here. Bathroom there. It's got a little galley area here downstairs, but we're not gaining a bit of space, but actual features. Yeah, most 28s, which mine is, are not as good as mine, to be honest. There you go, look, it's a Sea Line S335. See, I prefer the seats on the front rather than I know they lift up probably and make a seat, but I like this sort of inset seats. So we found Jeanneau, and they don't make anything equivalent to mine. This is really the next best thing, which is a DB37, so it's bigger. Probably too big for me, but it's got the seat up front, I like that. And we'll have a little looky. Let's go downstairs, see what we've got. We've got the front cabin. Fairly standard. Got the heads, and we have got the door to the other cabin, which we always like a door. Let's go down. It's pretty big in here, but it is a 37-foot boat, I think. So there you go, there's that DB37 there. It's a bit big and a bit expensive at £500,000. So we jumped over here. This is a little day boat. We jumped on this one. This is a 10.5 walk around camera. It's got the seat at the front, and it might have the cabin, so we'll have a little looky. So downstairs on the 10.5, got the front bed. Obviously it converts here, much the same as ours. Much more spacious, like the window up there, look. And we've got a door to the second. Oh, I've broke the door. Whoops. I'll put that back and no one will know till they watch the video. This is quite big, but yeah, similar idea. And then here is probably the bathroom. Yeah, toilet, shower, standard. Got some foldy out balconies. Alright, we're still on the Jeanneau stand, and we've hopped on this 1295 Mary Fisher, I think, Flybridge. And now this is big, 40 foot, but it has got the seat at the front. I'm all over the seats, so we'll have a little look around. That's a bit big for us, I think. We're going to go in through the side door to the helm. Look at that.
Okay.
Nice helm. Nice view. Table, usual, probably converts. Galley at the back, table out there. But then this is 40 foot, so it's bigger. Probably more money. Standard front berth here.
That's a decent one.
Standard front berth.
Oh,
there's the heads. Paul's getting excited. He's got 2 bedroom. There's 2, actually. 2 heads. One here and one on the other side. And then there's 2 double berths either side of the stairs. So you can sleep 6 downstairs easily. Probably, if you converted that, you could sleep 8. Up on the Flybridge of this 1295. Boat feels big. And this show is busy. And it's a sunny day, that's why. Nice helm up here. I think this one's a bit big for me. Okay, so we've hopped on a Bavaria S29, which is very similar to our boat. Similar length. So let's, very similar here, and it's got the door. We like the door. It's all about the door. It's a very similar layout to our old Jeanneau, but obviously newer. So yeah, let's have a look up. So up top here it's very similar as well, actually. It's almost basically a new version, isn't it? It's got a nice arch and sun pad, which I haven't got. But yeah, and these are, this one I think, 145. So if you wanted something the same, this would be ideal. Here we are, here's the S29. It's a very nice boat. It's a very nice boat. And very similar to what we have, but new and posh and shiny. Well, I think we're going to have a look at slightly bigger next door, SR33. So we hopped onto that SR33.
Yeah.
And this is downstairs, an open plan, massive headroom. I don't know if you can see, I'm short in here, look. You get a nice table diner here, little galley bit there. And the second one has the door. It's all about the door, as I always say. And the big double under there is nice. Nice windows. Good look at the sea. And there's your heads. Nice helm here, twin screens, all the usual gubbings. This is interesting. It's like chaise lounge, is that what you call it? Type thing there?
Yeah, probably.
Or bed, or I could probably sleep there. And then you've got your table at the back. Little kitchen area there. Nice. But it is 33 feet, is it?
33,
Yeah. We've popped past the Fairline, and they've got the old Targa 45s and this, the what is it, 33, coming down in size for us, but I can imagine this is way out of my price range. Well, actually, all of them are outside my price range, but nice. And now we've jumped to Marek's. This is a 31 next door, and this is a 33, this one. No seats though, but I'll let them off. Got little handrails. This one's got covers that you can pull out and zip round. It's easy. Very nice. Apparently James May's got one of those. Here we are. Downstairs in the 330 is the front cabin. It's a massive bed and massive windows. Like that. Here's the heads. Shower, which we've tested. You can get in there. You can get in the shower. And here's the second cabin, which is the usual underneath, which is pretty big though. Nice windows. So the Marek's 33. Like it, but still 440,000 for this one. I'll just show you this beast, Axopar Brabus, in grey and black. That is a flying machine, as they say. Very frack. Looks cool. Massively long though, that's the thing with Axopar. I think they're, you've got to go really long to get what you want. And then you're going to pay more in fees because it's long. Twin 450s. Whoa. Really?
Very top sales, toppers and these.
Stand. Suzuki engines. Black Ribs XL.
But there is
Marine.
a massive queue on all of them.
Oh, cute. We're looking for something to eat, but it looks busy. Got a few jet skis, loads of jet skis. Here's the Williams stand. You need one of those. Look at those if you're into your ribs. These look like beasts, don't they? Intelligent rigid boats. This is a little 29-foot Nord cap, I believe. But we've only got one cabin. Nothing at the back. Fridge. It's a bit sort of Axopar-y, if you know what I mean. Little heads there. But we haven't got two cabins, so it doesn't work for us. But you don't know until you look. There we go, these two Nord caps. This was the 29 and this is the 30 something, I think. But only one cabin at the front really, so they don't work for me. Nice boats though. So you have to cross the road over this bridge. They obviously think we can't cross the road, but Quicksilver. All your bits and bobs. $63.5. Get your buoyancy here. All the gear in this little area. Paul's gone off, he needs to find a scuba mask, he says. Shoes? Boat shoes. Yeah. Lighthouse Alley, it appears to be. Well, okie dokie, we got back home, we left the boat show in Southampton, and I'm back home now. So thank you for watching this little whistle stop tour of window shopping at Southampton Boat Show. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on another one of these little videos very soon.